Hello guys, today I show you how to remove watermark in this picture. I had shown you many videos about the removal watermark. There are several other methods you can check out in description below. So I open the Photoshop and I click open the picture. So this picture, double click on it. Control J to double click the layer. So today we'll use the clone. Here's the clone. See, clone stamp app. Clone meaning you have two or add many the same thing. Yeah. So first you have to click Alt. Oh, it's too slow. Click clone. Alt. Click on this background. Click on background and drag on this. You see the sign plus. If the sign plus is if the sign plus is moved to if the sign plus is moved to other place, it mean that the painting that you paint, it will the same with the place that the plus stay. For example, I will create a plus here and remove this. Also this one I make a plus here, Alt, and here, yeah, see, plus here. Oh no, this is the same, eh? Okay, and plus here, so it is look the same. Plus come up here, and the painting is the same. Plus here, and plus here. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's cool. And plus here, Alt plus. Okay, Alt and Alt, and here is black. Yeah, no black, blue. Alt, click on here, click on background and painting. Alt here and black. This black. Click on background. Okay, blue and background. Computer. Alt, click here. That's color is not the same. Alt here. Yeah, this might be the same. That's all. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more. And if you want to check other method, you can check out in description below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.